Hi, we're going to do a 3-card reading, but with each individual card going to be something different to each of you. And with me doing any sort of readings, and like when I teach my students, I don't actually follow any rules in a sense. I don't read any books, I just use my intuition. So, and I'll explain why, I feel the things with the cards as we do them. So, while I'm gently shuffling them, I want you to think of something that you need some guidance with, or you have some answers that you require. And I'd like you also to think, do you want to pick number card 1, number card 2, or number card 3? So now that I've shuffled them, and by the way, now when I shuffle cards, I do them gently. I always think if you do them a bit sharp, if you like, and a bit quick, you're getting rid of any energy, and I like to build up the energy with my cards. I like to do everything soft with them. Likewise, if ever you had anybody upset or that's been crying, that's been handling your cards, and you'd like to then remove any of the residual sadness from the energy that they've put in the cards, then you would shuffle them quickly. But because mine cards are lovely, which all cards are lovely, and because nobody else has handled them, I can just be very gentle with them. So what I'm going to do is now, I don't know why, but he seems to want to jump out. So that's card number 1. Okay, and I don't know why, that's card number 2. Oh, and that's card number 3. So you've got to think, is it card number 1, number 2, or number 3? Or it might even be that all 3 of them give you answers to what you need. So here we go then. So card number 1. This is about an argument or a confrontation or a disagreement amongst a group of people. It could be family members, it could be to do with work. But with this one, I'm feeling that you need not get involved, because you're just about to pick up your stick to go wading in, because your feet, to go and then try and sort them out. But there's one person here that's trying to entice you to join into the argument, or trying to bring you into the argument. Don't. Because this person is dressed in red, and like you've probably seen on the other readings, that red is about being enthusiastic, confident, about you then, being really eager, if you like, and over, excited, shall we say, or passionate about something. So this person is almost like he's the ringleader. Now I say he, it might be a she, so I don't know. But don't get involved. I know it's very easy, because if you have got some sort of conflict, quite rightly you want people to be at peace. You might see a solution that you think is a good idea, but I feel that these people aren't going to listen to you, that these people are going to end up, having this squabble or argument, having this sort of like conflict for whatever it is. But I feel that you need to step away, because they're going to, if you're not careful, because this person here, they're going to blame you things onto you, because it's almost as if they're looking for a scapegoat. So don't get involved. So stand back, let them sort it all out themselves. And like with most arguments, invariably it's good, because it gets the people then to voice, what they're unhappy about. And then they can have some sort of like resolution, even if it means they agree to disagree amongst each other, even if it means that they still respect each other, but they understand, people's point of view. So that's that one. Let's have a look. This is card number 2. Now this to me is quite a protective card, because the horse is black, which means protective. Again, you've got red, which is to do with passion, about enthusiasm and that as well. But the horse is standing still, so that to me means a calm horse. Somebody then that is very stable, very grounded, very sensible, very calm. The person then is dressed in armour, so that again means that that particular person is protective of you, or maybe it's related to you that you're protective of other people. But it's like that person wants to give, which could be you or somebody else, wants to give some money away, wants to give some money as a gift, because I don't know if you notice, this reminds me like a Christmas. It looks like holly leaves on the horse's forelock. So it could be that you're thinking about giving a gift, at Christmas, but you're a bit hesitant about giving money, because with money, some people either love money, don't they, or they see money, as being a nuisance, if you like, because they've never got enough and what have you. But I feel this is a good thing, and because you're doing it from the heart, or the person that's giving it means he wants to give it from the heart, then that's good. It might even be because the person's in armour, and again it could be you or somebody else, that they almost want to do it secretly. So maybe give it to charity or something like that. But because you've got the green on the head here, that then means it's healing. So it means that the person wants to give it to you because it makes them feel good, or it means you yourself want to give the money because then that makes you feel good. No, it's not about ego. I don't feel this is to do about ego and people say, oh, that person gave so much money and all that. This is given from the heart, so this is given genuine, and I like this card and I think it's really good. And with the horse being nice and calm and that as well, and not stomping everywhere, but that's good with the money. So I don't know if that relates to you. And this is card number 3. Now this card here is about this person is very gentle and is almost very nurturing, and it could be a man or a woman, somebody that's very motherly. Now when I mean motherly, it doesn't necessarily mean that they are a mother. It means that that person is really good. If it's in an office environment, they want everybody to get on with each other, and they then can understand if somebody's upset, or they're very sensitive, and it's like they're a team person in the sense that they are the glue that holds the people in the office together, because they are very sensitive and that as well. With this person, they are very calm, very stable. I feel this person is a healer, but I feel this person gives out too much and doesn't receive, because you see the little bird has got a cover on it so it can't see where it's going. It's almost as if she doesn't want the bird to know to come to her, or him, it might be him, come to her with any sort of good luck or fortune. It's like, you're going to fly away, and wherever you fly away and land, you're going to give it to somebody else. And this person, I feel, or it might be you again, this person's almost thinking that they're second best. They don't then know how to say no. They then have problems about, confidence and self-worth. But because there's a little snail, can you see the little snail here coming towards you? I think it's about you, or the person, being more conscious of their feelings and about what they need, because again you've got money, but also you've got grapes here, and grapes is about abundance and about your business or something like they're being successful. Because with grapes, you pick them every year, as long as you nurture them and look after them and that, from the frost and everything else, they're then going to bring you even more grapes the next year. So again, they're bringing in abundance and that as well. But it's about taking time, and it could even be that the person needs to let go of something from the past, and about being more loving towards themselves, and, about not being so, just giving out so much. Make sure that they then are aware of their own needs and look after themselves as well. So this could be you, and, this card is about seeing your self-worth and about how others love you and how others respecting you. Because if you don't love and respect yourself, how can you expect other people to do that? So you need to look after yourself. So this is about nurturing and looking after yourself, because you're nurturing and looking after everybody else and being everybody else's mom. But who do you go to if you've got any problems? So, it's about being aware of your own needs. So I hope this has helped you. All right then, blessings and take care.